Hi and welcome to another episode of Type with Me. In this episode I'm gonna talk about Typescript Omit. It's a new function in Typescript 3.5. So much of the time we want to create an object that omits certain properties. It turns out that we can express types like that using Typescript built-in Pick and Exclude helpers. So in this episode you will learn how we will use Pick and Exclude. For example, so imagine that we have type person. Right? So from that type person we want to have the remaining keys. So we can use exclude key of person location, right? So now we can say let our key. So here we have remaining keys. And we can say name, for example, but we can also put age here, right? Great. So now we can create type quantum person, which is pick person, of course, person or type. And then we have remaining keys. So when we now do let QP from quantum person, and we want to have our quantum person, well, we should have name and age. Right? So now we have our quantum person. And that is our omit person. So here we have now person, comma, location. We now have let we can see what and of course this needs to be an omit person, right? And now we will see that it needs to have a name and an age. Name Joris, age 34. Or just 4, right? Doesn't matter. Alright, great. So that's new within Typescript 3.5. So before, this function was just available. A lot of people were using that already with the exclude kind of thing and the picked kind of thing that we saw before. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you can use this great feature in the future. And I see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel and you will see a lot of other great TypeScript tutorials. JavaScript tutorials, or just tutorials with some help for certain tools, or yeah, you name it. Just subscribe. Thank you very much.